Okay, so my haircut is good. Okay, good. Just to joke a little bit at the start, I have one client who always is talking about my awful haircut, so I hope he will be more satisfied today. Anyway, today I will take a look on crude oil. It's actually a very interesting market, which I think that sooner or later is going to see higher prices. Over the last few years, we have been tracking with our traders this big free wave of decline from 2008 highs, which can be now coming to an end because of these clear substructures that I see on the monthly chart. So firstly, we have a very strong decline down in wave A. Then you got a very slow and overlapping recovery, which we were tracking at the time as a wave B. So it was a temporary recovery. And then you can see a nice fall in 5 waves from these 2013 highs. Okay, we know that after 5 waves are finished, market will tend to reverse minimum with 3 waves. So based on minimum expectations, which I will always try to focus on, it means that we can expect a 3 wave rally. For now, if we take a look on this recent development, we can see only one leg up, okay? Then you have a pullback, and now we have third wave up then in play. Okay, so obviously you will expect to see more gains in coming weeks. Also, when market accomplishes 5 wave movement and when new correction begins, you will typically see a retracement back into the area of a former wave 4. So in our case, former wave 4 is above $60 per barrel. So we definitely can expect more gains based on this prediction as well. So I'm definitely bullish here on crude oil, especially since market spiked beneath those 2009 lows, probably cleared some very important stops here, and obviously when important levels are spiked out, you will typically see a retracement in very strong fashion. So I'm not surprised to see this turn to the upside, okay? Which I think it can be start even of a new bullish impulsive trend, which means you would expect 5 wave rise, but a 3 wave rise is still enough to make money on the upside. So here is now also daily chart. Clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Over the last few weeks, we have been tracking this pullback as a corrective movement. It was a very strong, very deep movement, which surprised me a little. But I said in our updates for our members that we are here moving down into a corrective, into a region of a wave 4 of one lesser degree, which typically will represent a turning point. Okay, so correction once again was completed in this wave 4, and you can see a nice sharp reaction from around 39 levels. Also here you can clearly see that this is a very strong move, so I think it's an impulsive reaction, which means that even more upside is likely coming here in days ahead. So if we take a look on the 4-hour chart, definitely I'm interested to see pullbacks in 3 waves before market will continue higher. And notice that this recent extended lag, okay, here from 41 was much longer compared to first impulsive lag. Okay, so this must be wave 3, because typically wave 3 is extended wave when you're tracking a 5 wave movement. Notice also that this recent pullback is made by 3 waves. It retraced down to close to 38.2%. So sooner or later uptrend, I think it will resume, because clearly this pullback down is slower than previous rise, okay, at least as I see it right now. So I think this is just a correction with an ongoing uptrend, and that sooner or later we will see a continuation higher into wave 5 towards 50 level. Okay, invalidation level obviously is here at 43.45, because we know that wave 4 must not trade into territory of a wave 1. Okay, so crude oil definitely stays bullish here, and I will expect, as I said, more gains soon. And here we have also this technical chart, which I also like. It's actually, notice that here MACD on a weekly chart, we are above zero line, which means we can be now in a bullish trend. Also the RSI is above 50, which means bullish trend as well. Also we are above 50 period moving average, but I think that this break of 100 moving average should be even more important. Okay, so we have all signs of potential new uptrend unfolding on crude oil. And now I will also look at another analysis. It's old school stuff. We are looking here at a head and shoulders pattern. It's a reversal pattern here. You can see a left shoulder here, then you have a head, then you have sharp move up, and the right shoulder, and here you have neckline. So it's a very strong pattern which confirms that if pattern will prove correct, it will match perfectly with our Elliott Wave prediction, which means we could see higher levels. So uptrend, I think it may continue, but for final confirmation that this head and shoulders is finished, we need to see a decisive push above the neckline, which means I usually focus on a daily close price or weekly close price, even better. So daily close price above $52 per barrel, I think it should be very important signal that we are headed higher. Okay, as I said, firstly back to former wave 4 around 62, but then maybe even towards 70. Okay, so definitely I stay bullish on crude oil and will expect more gains by the end of the year, while the market is holding those lows in place from February. Okay, Torius, thank you very much for your attention. Now if you're interested in more videos like this or analysis like this, then please check our website, and we have a special offer, special trial offer for 1 euro. You get full access for 30 days. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention, and hope to see you soon. Bye.